right over now to the world of sports with Steve Christakos. Steve, you've got more hot KHL ice.
Lions turned to take advantage of home ice as one-seed Optomobilis gave them everything and they could handle. Opto's goaltender Jakub Kovar would have an impressive performance early on. Some intercepts it and scores. Finds his teammate Eunice Kempai. Do not mix well, but some riders welcome the challenge of trying to make that work. And the scene was Rignon Valley, deep in the mountains of Italy for the 7th annual Race and Snow Hill climbing event. Typically, the spectacle is to showcase the power and allure of Harleys in a different element, with many unable to control the machines, however, on those slippery slopes. This year, there were open and all-bike categories among the 5 titles up for grabs, which include the Harley Performance and Harley Vintage sections. 240 two-wheel specialists from all over the world hit the nearly 800-foot-long course, providing exciting action as spectators were treated to some fast and intense racing. American professional hill climber Austin Taylor set a new track record of just 7.14 seconds and took the open bike category crown, riding his KTM, while Swedish rider Sven Traber won both Harley categories. And the Special Olympics are underway in Abu Dhabi, where an extremely inspirational moment happened in the 50-meter race right here. Jamaican athlete Kirk Wint competed using only his hands and arms to propel him across the finish line. Wint is a paraplegic, but that did not stop him from courageously battling for the gold, just barely missing out as he finished in 14.89 seconds to take silver. 15-year-old Israel Duncan of Trinidad and Tobago grabbed the gold. And so if you're having a bad day or just feeling a little sorry for yourself on a Tuesday, just take a minute, observe these young, brave men, and get yourself inspired there. How about that? Pretty amazing, remarkable video. I mean, what an athlete.
So we've heard for a few years now about this elusive, mythical white privilege that saturates every interaction of our lives. Well, it's so rooted in academia now that one university's political science department refused to advertise an event called White Privilege is a Myth, saying that that event promotes fake facts. Let's check it out.
It does.
If you take a trip to Rider University in New Jersey, you might come across Barbara Franz, who serves as a political science professor and chairwoman of that department. Rider's political science department typically sends emails to students promoting upcoming events at the school. But when Turning Point USA wanted to host a White Privilege is a Myth event, Barbara wrote back saying the department cannot support an event that is entitled White Privilege is a Myth because the event advertises a false reality that is not based on scientific facts and a clear understanding of historic realities. It promotes fake facts. Right, fake facts. You know, as decided by the totally objective arbiter of truth who, according to the CV on her faculty page, has apparently spent the past 2 decades of her life cloistered away in the echo chamber of academia. Also, I hate using this argument, but one of the speakers refuting white privilege at the planned event
fruit. Now you dwellers in Jerusalem and people of Judah, judge between me and my vineyard. What more could have been done for me than I have done for it? I built for good grapes. Why did it yield only bad? Now I will tell you what I am going to do to my vineyard. I will take away its hedge, and it will be destroyed. I will break down its wall, and it will be trampled. I will make it a wasteland, neither pruned nor cultivated, and briars and thorns will grow there. I will command the clouds not to rain on it.
The vineyard of the Lord Almighty is the house of Israel, and the people of Judah are the vines he delighted in. And he looked for justice, but saw bloodshed.